Hello, I'm Mark Bowers from bowersphotography.com. In this segment we're talking about using diffuser panels for natural lighting. The first diffusion panel I'd like to show you is, this is a diffusion panel inside of a softbox. We'll take this out to show you what it looks like. It's velcroed in. Basically what it does is it softens the light on people's faces, mostly for portrait lighting. I've got a large panel which I use for outdoor. I basically call it a portable cloud. It almost takes two people to hold it. But in direct sunshine, this acts just like a portable cloud. It makes a soft light on people's faces, which is what you want. This is a flash diffuser that I built. Cardboard. It mounts right on the front of the flash unit, but it diffuses the light for candid photography, and it works really well. And this is the material that we use a lot when I build things, or you can buy the diffusion material that's already built in here. But it's just ripstop nylon that I found down at the fabric store.